Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this car tech video. In this video we're going to be doing a demonstration of the Autel MD808 Pro Kit on a 2013 Porsche Cayenne which has a check engine light. Now the MD808 Pro Kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. So we have the tool plugged into the diagnostic port. As you can see, this is the connector which goes under here, underneath the steering wheel, into the diagnostic port. So we're going to click on to scan, and we're going to go through the notions of selecting our specific manufacturer, then our specific vehicle. So first of all, we need to find Porsche, which is there, and then we need to select the Cayenne from 2011 onwards, so it's this one here, 92A. We can either go through an auto scan which scans the whole vehicle for faults, or we'll do a DME, which is the engine. The reason we've selected engine is because we have the check engine light, but I probably didn't make that very clear. But there we go. We'll click on to read codes, and it's giving us one fault code, P010400. The description we've got here is hot film mass airflow sensor, no signal. Well, previously we'd been getting, you see the RPM needle here, which is very stable right now. We'd previously been getting a really high fluctuating RPM needle, and that together with this fault led us to the impression that it was a faulty mass airflow sensor, or MAF as it's also known. So we put a new MAF in, and once we've done that, the RPM needle is really stable now. It's not going anywhere. So I think we have fixed the problem. The problem was a faulty mass airflow sensor, but we still have the check engine light and we still have this code on screen here. So what we need to do is really just erase the codes, and once we erase the codes, it'll do a check of the system to make sure that there are no problems. If it's happy that there are no problems, the check engine light will turn off. Now this happens, it's super quick, these systems, and they do that very quickly. So I'm just going to click, once I click yes here, it's going to instantly do a quick scan of the whole system, and it'll either stay on if it's not fixed, or it'll go off if it is fixed. So let's click yes here. You see how quick that light went off there. So the system is happy that the mass airflow sensor we've put in is actually correct. We've got erase codes command sent, perform read codes function to verify. So we can just go back in, click on read codes, system pass, no fault codes detected. So there we go. It's all thanks to the Autel MD808 Pro Kit, which is, in this case, has allowed us to correctly diagnose and reset the check engine light and the warning lights, the warning messages. The kit is available, as I say, at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com, and I'm going to put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.